Good afternoon, ma'am. My topic for today is segment 8, Arbitration Law, Republic Act number 876. What is Republic Act number 876? This act shall be known as the Arbitration Law. It is an act to authorize the making of arbitration and submission agreements, to provide for the appointment of arbitrators and the procedure for arbitration and civil controversies, and for other purposes. So kini nga balaod ma'am is nag siya kanang nag para kini sa mga maghimo og mga agreement, no? So maghatag og mga tawo nga mo uli sa mga controversy, mga bikil-bikil yang yang is nay arbitrators nga gi-appoint para uli sa mga both parties, okay, sa mga tawo nga nagkabikil. What are the subject matters of arbitration law? Two or more persons or parties may submit to the arbitration of one or more arbitrators any controversy existing between them at the time of the submission, and which may be the subject of an action, or the parties to any contract may in such contract agree to settle by arbitration a controversy thereafter arising between them. So kini nga arbitration law, ang yung subject matters is iyang kadtong mga nagbikil nga mga tawo, mga side to side or parties to both parties, no, nga nag-away, iya kining iuli or iya i-compromise or i-connect agreement, no? So such submissions or contract shall be valid, enforceable, and irrevocable save upon such grounds as exist at law for the revocation of any contract. Okay. So kinahanglan valid siya, no? Dili siya yung kanang kay kung dili valid is na chance nga kanang dili mauli. Such submissions or contract may include questions arising out of valuations, appraisal, or other controversies which may be collateral, incidental, precedent, or subsequent to any issue between the parties. So kinahanglan ang katong contract or submission kinahanglan i-appeal dito ang mga questions, no? Valuations, mga kung unsay naa sa controversies, mga kinahanglan unsay mga dapat masulbad bitaw, mga makasulbad ang mga controversies, ang mga bikil. Kailangan i-appeal dito tanan. Who are disqualified to arbitrate, no? So a controversy cannot be arbitrated where one of the parties to the controversy is an infant. So dili siya pwede kung bata ang isa ka parties, di siya pwede. Or person judicially declared to be incompetent. So katong mga tao nga wagi kaya, mga pobre na kayo or tiguang na, unless the appropriate court having jurisdiction approve a petition for permission to submit such controversy to arbitration made by the general guardian or guardian ad litem of the infant or of the incompetent. So kinahanglan kung na bikil sa katong bata, kinahanglan nagi guardian, general guardian, or katong gabuhi sa bata or katong mga tao nga incompetent. But where a person capable of entering into submission or contract has knowingly entered into the same with a person incapable of so doing, the objection on the ground of incapacity can be taken only on behalf of the person so incapacitated. So kinahanglan na katong sa tawo nga kuan, kinahanglan nagi tawo nga mo kuan sa iya mutabang mosulbad anang mga anang controversy, pero kuan siya kanang ego siya mutabang, no? Iya rang tabangan tong mga tawo nga walay kaya. What are the controversies or cases not subject to RE number 876. So this act shall not apply to controversies and to cases which are subject to the jurisdiction of the Court of Industrial Relations or which have been submitted to it as provided by Commonwealth Act numbered 103 as amended section 2 RA 876. So katong mga tawo nga laborer, employer, mga tanang mga trabahante kay naman siya kaugali yung balaod good nga katong para ra gud sa mga trabahante kanang DOLE or Department of Labor and Employment. Department of Labor and Employee mga inana DOLE na say dito ang mga trabahante mo kuan sila mga controversies. What is the form of the arbitration agreement? Kini, a contract to arbitrate a controversy thereafter arising between the parties as well as a submission to arbitrate an existing controversy shall be in writing and subscribed by the party sought to be charged or by his lawful agent. So, kining ang kontrata nga sa pag-ayo or pagpakuan sa mga bikil sa mga kada isa nga party kinahanglan nga isulat kini o katong isulat dayon kinahanglan na i-subscribe kini sa katong mga kada usa nga party. Ila kining kinahanglan kuan sila kanang na-inform sila o dayon or katong ilang mga lawful agent katong mga abogado ba nila or unsa pa diha nga may mag-handle silang mga form, no? The making of a contract or submission for arbitration described in section 2 hereof providing for arbitration of any controversy shall be deemed a consent of the parties to the jurisdiction of the court of the first instance of the province or city where any of the parties resides to enforce such contract or submission. So, ang katong pagpasa kuno sa mga contract or katong mga form ani nga arbitration agreement kinahanglan dito ra pud nila ipasa sa mga kung asa sila nabilong nga lugar. Dito pa sila mo pasa kung na may court dito. Dito ra pud nila i-pass or i-submit ang ilang mga form. Okay? So, discuss the preliminary procedure of arbitration. Ini. An arbitration shall be instituted by A. In the case of a contract to arbitrate future controversies by the service by either party upon the other of a demand for arbitration in accordance with the contract. Such demand shall be set forth the nature of the controversy, the amount involved, if any, and the relief sought, together with a true copy of the contract providing for arbitration. The demand shall be served upon any party either in person or by registered mail. In the event that the contract between the parties provides for the appointment of a single arbitrator, the demand shall be set forth a specific time within which the parties shall agree upon such arbitrator. No, so kinahanglan as what I say kanina is ang form nga katong agreement, itong arbitration agreement, katong form kinahanglan di siya nga isulat dito tanang controversy, tanang bikil, tanang kung unsa may mga bayronon, mga basta tanan collateral na tanan. If the contract between the parties provides for the appointment of 3 arbitrators, one not to be selected by each party, the demand shall name the arbitrator appointed by the party making the demand and shall require the party upon whom the demand is made shall within 15 days after receipt thereof advise in writing party making such demand of the name of the person appointed of the second party, such notice shall require that the two arbitrators so appointed must agree upon the third arbitrator within 10 days from the date of such notice. So, magkuan sila, magpili sila ka ng mga na arbitrator para may maoy mag-communicate sa laing arbitrator aron ma makasinabot ang katong mga both party kinahanglan magsabot-sabot sila. Okay? Kinahanglan magsilik sila arbitrator para mo asikaso sa ilang mga controversies. Okay? So, ato ta sa B. In the event that one party defaults in answering the demand, the aggrieved party may file with the clerk of the court of the first instance having jurisdiction over the parties a copy of a demand for arbitration under the contract to arbitrate with a notice that the original demand was sent by registered mail or delivered in a person to the party against whom the claim is asserted. So kung ang party kuno is kanang masasipyat sa pagtubag ato nga or paghatag ato nga demand katong naagrabyado nga mga tawo katong mga party mo file sila dito sa clerk of the court of the first instance sa mo file dito sila sa korte over atong ng party nga wala ming sunod so dito na sila mo file na sila dito mga unsay kinahanglan buhaton para matuman to nga ikasabutan. Okay? So, such demand shall set forth the nature of the controversy, the amount involved, if any, and the relief sought, and shall be accompanied by a true copy of the contract providing for arbitration. So, kinahanglan naagid kanunay ang katong true copy sa kontrata. So, nga maghatag og kanang paghiusa, pag-compromise, paghiuli. Okay? In the case of the submission of an existing controversy by the filing with the clerk of the court of the first instance having jurisdiction of the submissions agreement setting forth the nature of the controversy and the amount involved, if any, such submission may be filed by any party and shall be duly executed by both parties. So, ang pag-submit kinahanglan na dito tanang kompleto na katong unsay naa sa controversy, unsay mga bikil, unsay mga kinahanglan buhaton para mauli lang, makipag-ayos, so kinahanglan is i-attach dito sa form ang unsa man diha nga controversy, ang amount kung pila i-appeal dayon og ang pagpasa is tanan both to any party ang pagpasa na sila nga party mo execute then D, in the event that one party neglects, fails or refuses to arbitrate under a submission agreement, the aggrieved party shall all parties procedure prescribed in the subparagraph. So, kung ang usa ka party mo kanang way ayo, sipyat o may malibad nga makiuli, so sa mao nga agreement, so katong agrabyado nga party iyang buhaton ang naa sa subparagraph A and B of section 5 of RA 876. Then the next topic will be continued by my group members. Thank you.